Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Today we are here to talk about one of the most popular app, that is Arattai. This app is made by India. Arattai app is made by India, and we are going to use this app for messaging. See, the Arattai app we are going to use for messaging, and it is developed by Zoho Corporation. Developed by Zoho Corporation. See, this is one of the made in India app that we are going to use for instantly messaging app, and also popularly known as the Arattai app is the killer of WhatsApp. That means some of the advantage means some of the advanced features are there compared to the WhatsApp. Okay, here you can see this is one of the Indian own messaging app. Arattai is one of the most popular messaging app in India now. It is own messaging app in India. See, now we are using this Arattai app for messaging, and as I said here, it is developed by Zoho Corporation. The Zoho Corporation is one of the software company. uh, it is already worked under Microsoft and some of the popular software companies. See, now the word Arattai comes from the Tamil. See, this is invented from the Tamil people, Tamil Nadu. So they are going to call it as, or they have kept the name as Arattai. See, Arattai is nothing but, in the meaning of Arattai in Tamil is, that is chat or conversation. See, in simple meaning of Arattai is chat or conversation. See, it was launched in 2020 as Made in India. See, one of the most popular messaging app already launched in 2020, alternative to WhatsApp. See, what is the reason we are going to call it as alternative WhatsApp? See, nowadays you can see from the US government, they are going to had there are so much of tariff on Indian products. See, this is what here we are not going to depending on any other country products. By using our own products, we are going to support for the make in India products. This is the reason the Arattai means the Arattai app is going to become popular in India. The reason is this only, the tariff, whatever the tariff they are giving in other countries. To avoid this, we are going to encourage the make in India products. So, what makes the Arattai special? See, what makes Arattai special? Let's check some of the key features. See, what are the key features under the Arattai now? The first one, if you see, this is free instant messaging. See how we are going to use WhatsApp. The similar way we are going to use Arattai app. This is one of the free instant messaging app. We can also send text, voice, and video instantly. Then it comes group chat and broadcast messages. And also we can send group chats, means by creating some of the groups, and also by having the broadcast messages we can send together. Then other key feature is voice and video calls. This is one to one and group. We can also call voice call, and also we can call over the video by using the Arattai app. The similar we are going to use, as it is how we are going to use WhatsApp, the similar we are going to use Arattai app. Yeah. Then media sharing. See, under media sharing, we can share images, videos, documents, contacts, etc. See, all these media we can share by using this Arattai app. Then end-to-end encryption. This is for the privacy. Both the end will be encryption will be there. Then cross-platform availability. See, cross-platform is works and Android and iOS. Means you can also use for Android and also iOS operating systems, we can use this Arattai app. Then lightweight app. So this is one of the lightweight means lightweight is nothing but designed to run smoothly on low end phones. So if it is low end phones means some of the phones are a little bit old. In that cell phones also it is going to be work. See, these are some key features of Arattai app. The reason why we are going to use.